Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send money from Binance to Red.Pay step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Tap on Wallet, then select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send to Red.Pay. Step 2. Open the Red.Pay, go to the Deposit section, select the same cryptocurrency, and copy the wallet address provided. Step 3. Go back to Binance. Paste the copied Red.Pay wallet address and select the correct network. Make sure the network matches Red.Pay to avoid lost funds. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review all the details carefully, then tap Withdraw. Once submitted, the transaction will be processed depending on the network speed. And that's it. You successfully sent money from Binance to Red.Pay. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides. See you next time!